Hi. So I wanted to talk about the unfair advantages that exist in professions and in dentistry and why it's not the end of the world. So right now I'm sitting in my brother's dental clinic, which obviously is an unfair advantage, mainly because majority of dental students को एक dental clinic में access नहीं मिलता and जितने भी many dentists जो graduate हो चुके हैं in their UG or PG they did not have access to a dental clinic. So I get to observe patients whenever they come. I get to access to dental materials. The stuff easily मिल जाता है. That is my unfair advantage. Everyone has their own unfair advantage. I guess there is a book about it as well. So why is it not a big deal? Okay, so let's consider the example of Bollywood, right? Like Bollywood में nepotism exist करता है. There was a big deal about it recently. But even if that exists, many actors and many non-family related, you get what I'm saying, right? जो लोग like the Kapoors and whatever family से related नहीं होते, they also get into Bollywood. That does not stop great people or like people with huge potential to get into Bollywood. Sure, being into a Bollywood family gives you an advantage, but that is not the end of the world. Similarly, the reservation policy in India, it is a a mandated policy, and regardless what we think of it, we must respect it. I have seen many of my friends disheartened when they couldn't get into the college and someone else got into it because of the reservation policy. Now we could talk about the politics of it, but personally I'm not educated enough to talk about it, so I'm not going to do that, and I'm not interested in that. The point I'm trying to make is that there are things that you can control and there are things that you cannot control. And if you're going to worry about things that you cannot control, you're going to be disheartened and you're not going to be productive enough. You're just going to waste your time. But there are things that we can control, that you can control. It's your hard work, the things that you do, the things that you participate in. Those are the things that we can control. And yes, we can be aware of these unfair advantages because everyone has unfair advantages of their own. हो सकता है किसी के दोनों पेरेंट्स डेंटिस्ट हो सकता है किसी के पेरेंट्स के नेटवर्क्स अच्छे हो सकता है तुम्हारे नेटवर्क्स अच्छे हो सकता है कोई लाइक मनी बहुत सारे पैसे वाले खानदान से आता हो. You get what I'm saying, right? Everyone has their unfair advantages. You have your own unfair advantages. It might not be related to a profession, but there are unfair advantages that everyone has. And I am self-aware enough to say that I have an unfair advantage. And I think we all can be self-aware enough to take note of our own unfair advantages and work towards a better society, I believe. That's what I'm going to end it with. Not thinking about what the things we can't control and working towards things that we can control to eventually contribute to our success. Yep. Thanks for watching.